So ayun, nag-decide kami today na maglakad muna. Nothing planned, walang agenda, just walking. Kasi minsan yun lang talaga ang kailangan mo. Malamig yung weather ngayon, like really cold. Pero wala pang snow, parang nasa pagitan siya ng winter and spring, yung stage na medyo confusing. Temperature ngayon is around -3 to -5 degrees. Depende sa oras, naka-jacket kami pareho, pero kahit naka-jacket ka, ramdam mo pa rin yung lamig. Yung lamig na tumatagos hanggang buto, pero sanay ka na lang din. Actually, 53 days na lang bago mag-spring, so iniisip ko na lang konting tiis pa, malapit na yung mas mahahabang araw. Habang naglalakad kami, naisip ko, 2 years na pala ako dito sa Canada, pero may mga part pa rin na ngayon ko lang nakikita, and that's okay. Actually, madaming part dito sa Canada na hindi ko pa nakikita. Kasi sa totoo lang, hindi naman palaging may chance mag-explore. Pag may work, work talaga. Pag off, minsan pagod ka na or malamig, so you choose to stay home. Terrace is a small town. Hindi siya yung tipong every corner may ganap. Tahimik siya, calm, minsan boring, minsan peaceful, depende sa mood mo. Population-wise, maliit lang talaga dito. Halos magkakakilala yung mga tao or at least familiar yung faces. Makikita mo yung same people sa grocery, sa gas station, minsan pati sa coffee shop. Hindi pa masyadong industrialized ang terrace. Walang skyscrapers, walang big corporate buildings, pero at the same time, may mga establishment na rin. May grocery stores, restaurants, fast food, small cafes, banks, clinics, pero walang malalaking malls tulad ng nasa big cities. If sanay ka sa city, adjustment talaga. Dito, you learn to live simple. Hindi ka masyadong impulsive bumili kasi limited yung options. Pero in a way, natututo ka mag-prioritize. Pagdating sa livelihood, surprisingly okay din dito. Malakas yung healthcare industry, nurses, care aides, hospital staff, in demand din yung construction and skilled trades like electricians, plumbers, carpenters. May work dito sa retail, services industry, government, and banking. Hindi siya fast money pero stable. If hanap mo, may consistency and work-life balance, Terrace can offer that. Habang naglalakad kami kasama ko si Pogi, medyo naiinis na siya kasi panay ako video. Hindi talaga siya social media person. Ginagamit lang niya yung phone niya for works, emails, calls, ganon. Ako naman, konting moments, gusto ko i-record kasi feeling ko these small moments matter. Hindi lahat ng content kailangan bongga or aesthetic. Minsan, simple walk lang, malamig na hangin, tahimik na street, enough na. May konting hugot din, honestly. Kasi minsan, habang naglalakad ka, mapapaisip ka, ang layo na pala ng narating mo kahit hindi mo namamalayan. From starting over, adjusting, missing home, learning a new routine, tapos ngayon, you're just here, walking, breathing, surviving, and still moving forward. Hindi perfect ang buhay dito. Malamig, tahimik, minsan lonely, pero it teaches your patience. It teaches you to slow down. And maybe that's the point. Hindi palaging dapat mabilis. Hindi palaging dapat may malaking progress. Sometimes, walking is already progress. Showing up is already progress. So ayun, this is just us walking in the cold, counting days until spring, discovering parts of Terrace we haven't seen yet, and reminding ourselves that we're doing okay. One step at a time, one day closer to spring, one quiet moment at a time. Before this video ends, thank you so much for taking time to watch hanggang dito. I really appreciate you guys, especially yung mga tahimik lang na nanonood but always present. If you enjoy this kind of simple, real-life content, feel free to subscribe to my channel, no pressure, just so you don't miss the next videos like this. And I'd love to hear from you. Comment down below kung ano yung experience nyo dito sa Canada, kung matagal na ba kayo dito or kung planning pa lang kayong pumunta. Also, share nyo rin bakit nyo gustong pumunta sa Canada. Work, family, new start, or just a dream. I'm really curious to read your stories. Again, thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one.